Greetings to you all. Welcome to Buffalo. Art is universal, but before we talk on art is universal, we wish you all a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. Art is universal, and nothing and nobody else exemplifies the spirit more than Ashley Mallet, the Australian great of spinner, the great Australian of spinner, the Sardar of spin, Bishan Singh Bedi, and Dronacharya in the Mahabharata. Art is universal, that means you've got to share your knowledge with even your opponent. Ashley Mallet, the great off-spinner, Australian, was very well known for his craft. He was a great off-spinner of the game. But more remarkable about him was his capacity, his attitude to help his opponents, the Englishmen, during the Ashes Test matches by bowling to them in the nets so that they could play him better, much to the displeasure of his teammates, of course. But he believed the spirit of the game was much above the parochial interests that was there with I have to win and you have to lose, and my country, my region, your country. No. Back home, Ashley Merritt passed away last week at the age of 76. Back home here in India, the Sardar of spin, Bishan Singh Bedi, 76 years old, is ailing, after being treated for brain clot and a bypass surgery. I know him well, and I asked him once, why did you choose to bowl to Mike Dennis, or was it Dennis Evans, I forget, on the tour of India by the Englishman in the nets? I don't think his teammates liked it much. He said, but Neil, spirit of the game is much more higher than parochial interest. Exactly what Mallet said. And he said, yes, I am inspired by Mallet. And then he explained to me with another lovely story. Since in the Mahabharata, the two personalities, Drupad and Dronacharya. Drupad promises Dronacharya that when he becomes a king, he'll give half his kingdom to Dronacharya. And then Dronacharya is insulted because Drupad says, who's this fellow, get out. So Dronacharya takes revenge by using the Pandavas to capture Drupad. And Drupad conducts a sacrifice, a yagna, for that insult. And from the yagna is born Yagna Seni, Draupadi, and also a son whose objective was only to kill Drona, Drishtadyumna. Now, Drona is aware that Drishtadyumna is born to kill him. He tells his friend Drupad, send Drishtadyumna to me. I shall teach him martial arts, as I've taught all the Kurus. But I want him to honor your vow, and to also fulfill the objective of his being born. Drona knew that he was going to be killed anyway by Drishtadyumna, so better coach him. Art is universal. I brought down Bishan. I brought down Bishan to the focus of this story. 87 Test match, 1987, Bangalore. India versus Pakistan, the 5th Test match of a 5-match Test series. The decisive Test match. Minefield of a pitch. A low-scoring contest. Fortune swinging after maybe every over. After every over or after every delivery, at times the fortune will swing from one team to another. And there was Sunil Gavaskar batting in the 4th innings of India. On 96, and he was there almost guiding India to a win, and he got out to Iqbal Qasim, the Pakistani spinner, 16 runs short of a victory. And next day it was reported in the media that Bishan had assisted the Pakistani spinners on how to bowl on that minefield of a pitch. Tausif Ahmed and Iqbal Qasim. I asked him, why did you assist them? I said, were you not prepared for the criticism that came your way and the way people pillar it here? Says Neil, I'm inspired by Ashley Mallet and Art is universal. I said, okay, that's right, but why didn't you then advise the same to Ravi Shastri and to Maninder Singh? He says, they never came to me. Point. He says, I asked him, what did you suggest to Iqbal Qasim and to Tausif? He just said, I just said, they asked me what to bowl in this on this pitch. I said, just bowl straight, the ball will do the damage. That's what they did, and that's what did the damage. So it was the ego of Ravi Shastri and Maninder Singh to not go to Bhushan Paji and was sitting in the stadium after retiring from the game to go and seek his advice. The Pakistanis did it, and they served better. And he said that, he told me that he will do that as long as he's alive. He says, because art is universal. I cannot help but share knowledge. I want to die empty. I don't want to go to the grave with all my knowledge in my head. And as John Woodcock, the veteran cricket correspondent in England, has written about Bishan, this Sardar has got much more than a mop of coiled hair and the comb under his turban. Bishan had grey matter and a big heart. It takes a big heart to do a Dronacharya act or a Mallet act or a Bishan act for the matter, because art is universal. So embrace the spin to play the turn. Take care. Bye-bye.